115 Northeast 53rd, dates October 17th, 2022, making this recording from the 4-inch diameter ABS cleanout here in the back of the home under the deck. Looking at the Seattle City main there, we're at 136 feet. As we get back, we'll be able to subtract our footage from that. Connection to the main, 6-inch diameter clay. There is a seam in this clay about every 2 feet. There's our 4-inch by 6-inch diameter shift. I'm going to try and get a locate on this. Okay, pull back a little more. See if you can locate that spot. Alright, we're at the 4x6 transition there. It's in the bushes down there near the sidewalk. I'm at 100 feet now. We've got, we'll call that 30-some feet or so of 6-inch. About 36 feet of that 6-inch diameter pipe, and now we're back in the 4-inch diameter clay. This line was jetted today, so you'll see some little wispy roots, but I believe the roots were a lot larger prior to the jetting. Okay, keep coming. Connection upper left side of the screen. We got that located down in the front.
4 feet deep.
4 feet deep. Nice. And so 100 feet from that 4x6, we're at 25, is about 75 feet of 4-inch diameter clay pipe between the end of this ABS black plastic run at the back corner of the house here, southeast corner of the house, down to the 6-inch transition. Making the recording through this clean out here under the deck. Ending the video.